Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the DisplayPort is experiencing no signal issue in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First thing I recommend doing would be disconnect any devices that you are hooked up to your computer, specifically the monitor, and then try to reconnect it. If you are using HD monitor or HDMI or USB connection, try switching it to a different port. As well as if you are having another cable, I recommend to trying to have a better cable guys that might be available to you. So you have a spare cable laying around. Make sure you don't have loose connection, the plugged or properly connected to it. I recommend to check that as well guys. First thing you need to do is check your cable connection is hooked up to your computer is properly. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. I hope you get resolved. Thank you.